Here's the deal. We've all had moments where we lost our minds and brought things home that later made us scratch our heads and go, "What was I thinking?" Our belongings tell stories about who we are, how we see ourselves, and who we want to be. We have emotional attachments to the things in our lives, and cosmetics and skincare are no different. We might have purchased that perfume with our best friend while on vacation, or tried that bold lipstick because we wanted to take our minds off a disappointing event. Sometimes we accumulate things because other people think that's what we should have. Let me ask you to pull everything out of your closet, your cabinet, your caboodle, your plastic baggie, and lay it out in one place. Take stock of all the things you've bought, or given, or somehow accumulated, and work through the questions in this section. Take this time to also check if products have expired, started growing things, or are otherwise unusable. Toss them out. If something is still usable, but you can't return it to the store, or if you decide it's no longer for you, see about rehoming it if you can safely disinfect the product. You may feel guilty about eliminating something from your kit and quote-unquote wasting money, especially if it was on the more expensive side of your budget. But consider this. You're not using or enjoying it now. It's not serving your needs or the purpose you wanted it to, so why keep it around? It's okay to let it go. I promise.